Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your Samsung phone. Now this will work on most models. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do it. Now first, and the simple way to do it is using the power button right here and the volume down button. So you'll need to press and hold both of these at the same time, just like this, and a menu like this will pop up where you can go ahead and reboot using the restart one, which is basically a reboot. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also pull down the top menu here using your finger to swipe down a little bit further to access more controls. And up top here, you should see a power icon. We can tap on that and the same exact menu will pop up and you can click on restart to do it as well. Now, in some Samsung phone, if you have Hey Google set up, you can tell it to basically restart it for you. So if I can go, let's go ahead and turn this off. Hey Google, reboot my phone, and that will also go ahead and reboot it for you. I'm talking here so it's not able to do it, but in any case, any of these methods should work. So let's go ahead and from the top here just to tell you how a reboot will look like. So you'll tap on restart and let it do its thing. It's going to fully shut down and then reboot your phone. Again, now this method is safe. Again, it will not delete any of your data. So go ahead and try this. Hopefully one of the methods worked for you to reboot your Samsung phone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Samsung phones. We'll see you guys next time.